What's up world, Julian here. Today I'm working on a very exciting DIY project inspired by some of my favorite foods. Now, I am trying to eat healthier this year, but I gotta have my burgers and fries. So today I'm doing a fun craft project inspired by that dynamic duo. And I do want to tell you guys that the reason that I have the time, energy, and the creative juices to gather all the inspiration and develop this mood board is all thanks in part to TurboTax. With TurboTax, an expert will do my taxes from start to finish, ensuring that they're done right so I can relax.
I love burgers and fries, so I knew I wanted to make something for my kitchen table that showed that love and my creativity. I'm choosing to keep it simple and retro feeling by just stenciling the sketch and then painting that sketch red. I'm using a paint pen, but you could use acrylic paint, glass paint, or even permanent markers to make the design. There's no limit here, and it doesn't have to be perfect.
I tell you, the best way to cut the stress when it comes to doing taxes is by not doing them. A TurboTax expert can just file with me and I have more time to develop recipes and come up with inspirations rather than worrying about my taxes. So check them out on turbotax.com to cut the stress when you're ready to start your taxes.
Now that the vase is all dried, I'm going to add some flowers that remind me of crispy, golden french fries. This was such a fun DIY to do, and I hope it inspires you at home to create something based on your favorite dish.